Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. I would love to hear from you. Well, y'all, I can't believe this. It is finally time to vote them all out of office and take our country back and make it great again. I'm sorry I had to use Trump's slogan, but he couldn't do it, so we're going to have to do it. All the months of finger pointing and kicking that can down the road may be about at the end, because both sides are now saying right after the election we will get a stimulus package. And we all know neither side would lie to us, would they? Trump said a stimulus check right after the election, and it's going to be a bigger, better stimulus check. Biden said right after the first of the year, and it will be bigger and better. Which one's lying? Or are both of them lying? Y'all remember, this is the same old story we've heard for months and months on end. We've heard it over 1,000,000 times. But still nothing. Y'all, don't forget. Please go vote. Let your voices be heard. If you don't vote, you're part of the problem. It don't matter what side of the party aisle you vote on, as long as you let your voice be heard. Please don't let them steal that right from you. It is your right to vote. It is your duty as an American to vote. Remember, if you don't vote and something don't go your way, you do not have the right to complain, because when you had a chance to voice your opinion in the polls, you didn't do it. So now you just got to take whatever they're willing to give you. We need to vote them all out of office. We need to clean that swamp ourselves, since Donald Trump apparently could not do it. So we need to do it ourselves, and we need to vote them all out of office. We need to end the lifelong politicians that we have right now. We need to end that. We will never get a chance to vote on term limits, so we have to set them ourselves. And the only way to do that is after their first term or second term, we vote them out and get new blood in that seat. By voting them out, we are getting rid of the scum, and we are setting a tone for the next politicians that comes in to replace them. That we are tired, and we will not sit back and just idly take it anymore. If they don't do what's right, we will vote them out also. Y'all, please go exercise your right to vote. I can't stress it hard enough. A lot of people saying they are not going to vote because it won't do any good. Well, it sure won't do no good if you don't vote. And the thing is, if you want Biden, if you want Trump, and you don't vote, you gave that vote to the other side. So if you don't vote, you're helping the other side. Just remember that. Please, before you go to the poll, say a prayer. Ask for God's guidance when you cast that ballot. And also say a prayer for our country and our leaders and everybody that's touched by this pandemic. And also ask God to heal our country. Ask Him to help everyone that is hurt the way our government has treated them through this whole ordeal. God will see us through this. He's already got the plan. We just hadn't seen it yet. He will reveal it to us. Y'all, I do love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. It would help me tremendously. Please leave your thumbs up and your comments. And just know I love you all, and we will get out of this with the help of God. I know this for a fact. Until next time, I love you all. Ciao.